Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to a Windows computer. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure a smooth setup. First, make sure your Sony headphones are charged and powered on. Then, put them into pairing mode. This usually means pressing and holding the power or a dedicated pairing button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you hear an audio cue or see a flashing indicator light. This prepares them for discovery. Now, let's turn our attention to your Windows computer. Begin by clicking the Start button, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, select the Settings gear icon. Once the Settings window opens, navigate to Devices. This section manages all connected peripherals, including Bluetooth devices. Crucially, confirm that the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position, allowing your computer to search for new connections. With Bluetooth enabled on your computer, it's time to pair. In the Bluetooth and Other Devices menu, click the Add Bluetooth or Other Device option. A new window will appear. Select Bluetooth as the device type. Your computer will then begin scanning for nearby devices. Look for your Sony headphones model name in the list that appears. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the connection. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your Sony headphones don't appear in the list, first try toggling your computer's Bluetooth off and then back on. Also, double-check that your headphones are still in pairing mode and are within a few feet of your computer. A simple restart of both your headphones and your computer can often clear up any temporary glitches. If all else fails, consult your headphones user manual for any specific pairing instructions unique to your model.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.